So as we're doing the whip stitch, you start out with the running stitch. Running stitch is really simple. So now that you have the running stitch in, you're going to pick another color, usually an accent color so you can see it, and start out in this second space right here. You want to pull it through there. And simply you're not stitching, you're just slipping it underneath the stitches of the running stitch. So that's through, and do another one. The whip stitch is good for outlining, borders, anytime you have to make a line, which I find a lot of embroidery that's what you want to do. Oops. And then to end it, you put it in the space of the last of the running stitch. And here's your whipped stitch.